the thing that I really, really like about this particular business is their brand name. And for me, this is the thing that they have done incredibly well. So we know that Amazon, where are we? Wants us to put our brand name at the Elk and Friends. That's what they want at the beginning, the brand name, okay? And what my mate has done is he made his brand name Simple Modern, okay? Simple Modern, which is very, very smart as far as a branding strategy goes, because anytime it says, comes up in search, Simple Modern is what it leads with, okay? So they've done what Amazon asked them to, but they've also done it in such a way that it augments the sales argument as well. So, and look at what they're selling. So Simple Modern Disney Mickey Mouse kids water bottles, Simple Modern blah, 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 Simple Modern tumbler cups, Simple Modern rectal probe, I don't know what that is, Simple Modern bottle brush, blah, 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 okay? Very, very clever, very, very clever. The other thing which is really interesting about this, as far as the search thing as well, is that of the people that come to this page, because this is all through brand registry, you can monitor this, of the people that come to this page, 60% go on to buy. 60% go on to buy something, which as far as like what we think of as a unit session percentage, the number of people who search, find your stuff, and then go on to buy, 15% is a pretty average, good average unit session percentage. If they go via this page, this storefront page, then it's 60%, much, much higher. Anyway, so I just want to share that with you. I want to share this with you too. I feel like he's done a really good job of his website too. And that all links together. So let's just go onto it. Let me show you quickly. Anybody that, I mean, these things, water bottles, sell all day long on Amazon. It's just insane. Okay, so he sells these directly on his website. He doesn't go via Amazon. All right, so I thought it was kind of cool too. So I want to share that with you.